Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and this lawnmower come in for a service, but the customer said the Vari Drive doesn't work on it. And what I mean by the Vari Drive, it's a lever up here that you control the speed of the machine goes. The engine RPM stays constant, but by moving this backwards and forwards, it will then adjust the speed. And I'll show you how it does it, but there's also a little bit of a rant which I want to go into. Now, on the Vari Drive system that this one has, on the crankshaft there is a pulley, and you can see there's a spring, and the idea is that when it gets tightened down, that will open up and change the ratio. Now let's look at the gearbox. Now on the gearbox you can see there's two cables that come in. One of them goes to the drive lever, the other one goes to, well, this is the one that goes to the Vari lever, this is the one that goes to the clutch cable. Let's have a closer look up at a gearbox that I've taken out. Now this is the gearbox, and the part you saw on the mower was this side here. Now on this part here, this is where the Vari Drive cable goes through, and it attaches to this piece here. And what that does is when you pull on the cable, it pushes that up and changes the ratio. And when you release the cable, it pushes it, allows it to go that way, which then opens up and changes the ratio. And so that changes the speed. The other one, fairly simple, goes through there, connects up to that, and that's for your drive. Now, my rant. Now, what is my rant? Can you see that cable there? This is the cable that goes down to the Vari Drive. So when you move it backwards and forwards, that cable there should be pulled or released to allow the speed to change. Why has that broken? I'll show you why. Now I have this cable here, the Vari Drive cable, because you know what it says, things come in threes, because I had to change it on this machine because the cable had done what the same thing on the 41 is. So let's reposition the camera and I'll show you my rant about this. Now, what is my main gripe? Okay, let's take this apart. Yes, you can actually take this apart. Instead of it being riveted or spot welded or whatever, Phillips screwdriver or posi drive, one screw, second screw, that part comes off, and then you're left with this part. And oh look, the cable isn't even clamped in. Normally on stuff like this you get these tangs that are clamped over to hold it in position, but this one isn't. Now, what's the problem? Can you see that there? Let me zoom in a bit. Grab me remote. That piece there, particularly this piece here, hang on, let's turn the light on so you might be able to see better. I need to get better lighting. Here we go. That is where the cable connects up to, and it's broken. Right? And it's got two screws. It's not riveted, it's got two screws. Okay, so what I'll do, let's pull this off like that. And yeah, I'm still in picture. I think this is a T8 torque screwdriver. screw. Second screw, and off it comes. Simple as that. And that's the part that's broken. Can you buy this? I haven't had a real search on the net, but apparently you have to buy the complete cable or the whole mech, because they don't sell this little piece here that you can just easily replace. It's crazy. And that is my main rant. Why can't you buy this piece, which is made of plastic, independently, instead of spending over £50? Yes, £50 at the moment in in February 26, 2026. It costs over £50 for a new Vari cable instead of just being able to replace this. So yeah, I'm a bit miffed. I'm sorry for my customers, but you've got to buy the whole lot because this is broken and they don't sell it independently. So there you are, folks. That's how a Vari Drive system works, and my little rant about a piece of plastic that could easily be replaced instead of the whole cable. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you really liked it, please hit the subscribe. It's much appreciated and totally free. So until next video, rant, whatever, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye.